Okay, here we have a little quick review of a 1/4 minute repeater chronograph pocket watch. It's 18 karat gold, pink gold. It's the heavy hunter case. It's from around the 1890s. It's about 58.5 millimeters without the crown. It's about 18 millimeters thick. Again, as I said, 18 karat gold hunter case. Weighs about 52 grams. If we look here, you can open it up. As you can see, it's really quite an elegant piece, considering that it's from 1890. The dial is original enamel. It's pretty much in mint condition, as you can or can't see here, but it looks quite magnificent. Golden Louis XIV hands, black painted Roman numerals, second subdial at 6 o'clock. The interesting thing about this obviously is that it's a 1/4 repeater chronograph. It's a manual wind movement, obviously, and it's really quite interesting the way it chimes the hour and the 1/4 hour. Basically, if you pull this down below here at 6 o'clock, as you can see, we had 10 dongs, if you like, and 2 ding-dongs. The ding-dong sounds basically represent the 1/4 hour, so considering that it's 10:30 here, we have the 10 dings and 2 ding-dongs. Quite an interesting piece here. Hope you enjoyed looking at this quite magnificent piece here. Next time I'll flip the case over and show you what else is going on the other side. Enjoy. Thank you.